Hi guys, Pavel from MOTD speaking. In today's unboxing video we have this DeepCool AK400 ZERO DARK PLUS CPU cooler. Even I don't know what's inside the box, so without further ado, let's go and check it out. With the opening of this box, let's be cautious because we don't know what's inside. And first thing what you will see after they open the box is the package of different kind of backplates and screws and let's go inside. One, two mounting sets, lots of screws and extensions, 4-pin splitter, okay, other screws for different brand, and that's it from the accessory box. Then you can see the manual, and now the best part, let's start with the cooler itself. So, okay. And now the cooler. Beautiful packing. We have two 120mm fan. Everything is nice and black. Beautiful rubber corners. We'll see later. It's plastic. It's a bit pity. Can be from aluminum, but we can't want everything. Okay, let's put it out. Yeah, standard PV, 2 PVMs, 4-pin connectors. From here you can see that there is pre-prepared the thermal compound, so you don't need to mess your hands, which is always welcome. But on the other hand, you don't know what kind of a paste or thermal compound is it, so you have to trust the DeepCool that it is a thermal compound which is good enough. Okay, let's cover it back. Perfect. And that's everything from the box. So let's go and check the technical stats of the cooler and the fans. What DeepCool prepared for us from a technical stats of this AK400 ZERO DARK PLUS CPU cooler. It's a damn long name. Okay, compatibility. Long story short, you can mount it to whatever you want. AM5, AM4, Intel 1700, 1151, whatever. Expect Threadrippers, Epics, and something like that. But for standard consumers, CPUs from Intel and AMD, no problem at all. Next, product dimensions. The only one which is really important is the height. 155 millimeters. It's quite small, to be honest. It's perfectly fine. You will able to fit it to almost whatever case you want, which is fine. And it's dark, so no RGB, everything black. Sorry, no additional FPS. Weight, not really important number, but for the ones who really need to know that, 800 grams. In comparison, last week I had a review or unboxing of Noctua CPU cooler for Threadrippers. The weight of the cooler was more than 1 kilogram. So this is not a that heavy cooler. But you have two fans. It always counts. Okay, it has 4 heat pipes. For this thin CPU core, it's more than enough, and you have two fans, so everything is perfect. Standard 220mm fans, nothing special. RPMs of the fans from 1500 to 1650 RPMs. That's some kind of a mid-range if in terms of RPMs of the fans. Nothing crazy, but it's more than enough. CFM 59, it's fine. Decibels, 28 decibels for two fans which are static pressure optimized because the shape of the blades. It's decent because be honest too, who will run these fans for max RPMs so you will reach the 28 decibels? I would say nobody or nearly nobody. So the mid-range noise level of this CPU cooler will be somewhere around 20 decibels or a bit less, 19, 18, something like that, which is pretty fine. And if you will close the case, I mean you don't have open frame, you will hear nothing, that's what you want from a CPU cooler. Connectors, standard 4-pin PWMs, what more you want? Bearing type, not important. Energy consumption, not important. And that's all what DeepCool give us as information in this package. Guys, I have to say that I really like this CPU cooler. The color is fine, the shapes are beautiful, I would say. The only one thing in my eyes, which I will do it different way, is this plastic cover. If it will add the cost, I don't know, 10, 15 euros, dollars to make it from aluminum, it would be beautiful and in my eyes much better. Additional heatsink, you know. But that's the only thing which bothered me a bit on the CPU core. I think that's absolutely perfect, and for the ones who don't like RGB or don't need RGB, the CPU core is one of the best choices you can go these days. And with the bombshell, I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a like, and see you with the next one.